Greetings! It's Maxo Diddley. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can copy text from a view-only Google Drive Google Slide presentation. Let's get right into it. So the first step is you need to open up the Google Slides that you want to copy text from. And if we attempt to copy and paste text, we're told copying and pasting has been disabled. So if we click on File, make a copy, download and print have all been disabled. However, we can get around this. So this method won't let the person who made the Google Slide or the person who shared the Google Slide with you know that you've done this. So if privacy is a concern, you're going to be fine. So we need to go up to the URL. And where it has edit followed by some other characters, you want to click and drag to select them, and then press the backspace or delete key. We don't want them. Then, after that slash at the end of the URL, you want to type in HTML present. And then you want to click on the enter key on your keyboard. And this will take you to a HTML present view of the view-only Google Slide. And the next step is you want to right click and then click on Save As. Then you want to download this HTML view. You can give it any name you want. I'll call it Slideshow on Subin to Max and then .html. It has to end with .html. The rest of the file name can be what you want. As for the save as type, it needs to be webpage HTML only. If it's something different, this will not work. So if you do see something different here, click on the drop down box and then make sure webpage HTML only is selected. If something else is selected, like webpage complete, when you download this file, you'll be downloading the code that stops you from copying the text. Whereas with HTML only, you're just going to download the HTML content and not the code that stops you from copying the text. So make sure it's webpage HTML only. Then click on it. After that, click on the Save button. And this will download the HTML file. Then you want to open it up. So you can go to your Downloads button and actually click on the file here to open it up. Or you can click on the Folder button here to show it in the Windows File Explorer, which we're going to do. And you can either double click on it to open up the file, or you can right click on it and then go to Open With and then go to Google Chrome, which I'm going to do because I want to open it in Google Chrome. And now the file has been opened up. You can also navigate to where you downloaded the file using the Windows File Explorer. So we're going to click and drag on the text. And as you can see, we're able to highlight it. So we're going to right click and click on Copy. Now I'm going to open up Notepad and paste it in there. So we've got Notepad, I'll right click, click on Paste, and the text has been pasted in. Let's copy and paste the reasons to subscribe. As you can see, it pasted it. Bullet points won't be kept, however, they're really easy to add back in if you did want to keep the bullet points. But anyway, thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.